Get ready for the action because we are kicking things off with Houston weather. It's a steamy Wednesday ahead with a chance of scattered storms developing across the area. Temperature highs are set to hit into the 80s, and we're tracking exactly where those showers and potential heavy rain could hit. Stay tuned to find out how this humid air mass is shaping up for the rest of the week.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This Allen 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Switching gears to the forecast, we look at Wednesday's weather planner. Rain is set to head out before most people even start their day, with clouds sticking around but temperatures staying cool in the upper 50s. But hold onto your jackets because we are not out of the woods yet. There is a real possibility of frost in outlying areas as temperatures dip into the upper 30s on Thursday and Friday mornings. Now let's head to Washington, D.C. for the forecast update. Showers and storms are definitely expected across parts of the D.C. region on Wednesday, with gusty winds lingering near 30 mph. Morning temperatures will be in the upper 60s to low 70s, climbing to mid-70s by the afternoon as a cold front moves through, setting up a cooler Thursday before sunshine returns Friday. And finally, for a completely different kind of excitement, we dive into the Nashville scene with 5 brand new whiskey releases. Master distiller Chris Fletcher is dropping special bottlings featuring 5 batches of barrels aged between 142.7 and 146.1 proof, showcasing incredible flavor profiles like black pepper and dark chocolate. Plus, get the details on the Sweetens Cove Spirits Father's Finish and the new Memphis-based wheated bourbon blend. Don't miss these must-try whiskeys and hit that subscribe button right now. Houston is bracing for a steamy Wednesday with a chance of scattered afternoon storms, according to Fox 26 Houston. The day is forecast to be mostly cloudy and warm, with temperature highs expected to reach into the 80s. A humid air mass is dominating the region, leading to a likelihood of scattered showers and storms developing later in the day. These storms have the potential to become stronger, bringing gusty winds and brief heavy rain. The active weather pattern is set to persist through the Mother's Day weekend, with expectations for intermittent showers and storms under warm and humid conditions. Rain chances are projected to increase significantly on Friday and Saturday, with the potential for heavier downpours. Residents in areas prone to repeated storm movement should be aware of localized flooding risks. This forecast is based on data from the Gulf Coast Weather Authority. Wednesday weather forecasts indicate a shift in conditions with rain expected before the start of the day, though clouds will persist throughout. Total rainfall is projected to be around 1 inch. Temperatures on Wednesday are expected to remain cool, reaching the upper 50s. Attention is also drawn to potential frost, as outlying areas could experience temperatures dipping into the upper 30s on Thursday and Friday mornings. High temperatures are forecast to remain in the upper 50s for Thursday, with a slight warming trend to the mid to upper 60s on Friday. Regarding Mother's Day weekend, Friday evening and very early Saturday show a chance of rain. Sunday is predicted to be the drier day, with rain most likely occurring during the afternoon and evening, suggesting plans for that time should account for precipitation. Washington, D.C. residents should prepare for unsettled weather as showers and storms are forecasted for Wednesday across parts of the region, according to Fox 5 and the National Weather Service. Cloud cover, showers, and a few storms are anticipated throughout Wednesday. Taylor Grendo of Fox 5 reported that gusty winds, which developed on Tuesday, are expected to persist, with peak gusts reaching near 30 mph. Temperatures will remain mild, though slightly cooler than Tuesday due to increasing cloud cover and rain. Morning temperatures are expected in the upper 60s to low 70s, climbing to the mid-70s by the afternoon. Ahead of a cold front, intermittent showers are expected to arrive around sunrise during the morning commute and continue throughout the day. While a washout is not predicted, periods of rain with the possibility of thunder and lightning are expected to develop through the afternoon and evening. The unsettled weather pattern is set to continue into Thursday, bringing cooler temperatures and lingering showers. Wednesday's high temperature is forecast to be around 74 degrees. The weather outlook shifts significantly for the rest of the week. Thursday will bring the coolest day, with temperatures dropping into the low 60s. Sunshine is expected to return on Friday, with highs near 70 degrees. The weekend may feature a few showers, but Sunday is looking mainly dry, with evening thunderstorms possible and temperatures near 80 degrees anticipated for Mother's Day. Nashville's whiskey scene is buzzing with new releases and intriguing blends. In a recent roundup, the author shares quick reviews of several noteworthy spirits, ranging from high-proof specialty releases to complex cigar blends and unique wheated bourbons. One standout is a special bottling from master distiller Chris Fletcher's series at Jack Daniel's Distillery in Lynchburg. This release features 5 batches of rye barrels aged for over a decade in warehouses, resulting in proofs between 142.7 and 146.1. A sample from the Boiler Hill lot exhibited a distinct black pepper note, complemented by dark chocolate and cherry, offering an approachable yet bold flavor profile. Exploring the world of cigar-blended whiskeys, the report highlights a creation from Barrel Craft Spirits. Retailing around $85, this bourbon is a blend of whiskey aged between 7.5 and 18 years, finished in a mix of casks including Madeira, Armagnac, rum, and Hungarian oak. The brandy casks introduced an unexpected grape Nehi aroma, quickly evolving into prominent notes of cinnamon and vanilla, with cherry and raisin notes providing a perfect companion for a cigar. Sweetens Cove Spirits is also generating buzz with its experimental small-run releases. The 2006 first release, bottled at 98 proof, blends aged Kentucky and Tennessee bourbon finished in cuvee wine barrels. It delivers dark fruit notes of plums and cherries, with a long, complex finish, making it a compelling gift option. In a nod to whiskey history, the report touches upon J.B. Kirk, a notorious 19th-century distiller, whose family legacy has been revived with a new J.B. Kirk bourbon whiskey release, made in Tennessee. For enthusiasts of specific grain profiles, the discussion shifts to the distinction between wheated bourbon and wheat whiskey. Wheated bourbons legally require at least 51% corn in the mash bill, often substituting wheat for rye. Memphis-based BR Distilling has introduced a new wheated bourbon blend, featuring a mash bill of 70% corn, 21% wheat, and 9% barley. Bottled at 101 proof and unfiltered, this release showcases the subtle sweetness and gentle breadiness imparted by the winter wheat, with hints of honey-made cinnamon graham crackers detected on the palate. It is priced at $45, making it a worthwhile addition for those seeking nuanced flavor profiles.